Hashing. Hash function provides encryption using an algorithm and no key. Plaintext message is hashed into a fixed length hash value is called a message digest or hash. It is called one-way hash functions because there is no way to reverse the encryption. If the hash of a plaintext changes, the plaintext itself has changed. Cryptographic hash functions are used to provide integrity. Common hash functions are message digest algorithm, MD5, secure hash algorithm, SHA, and hashed message authentication code, HMAC. Message digest algorithm, MD5, was designed by Ronald Rivest of MIT in 1992. Common message digest algorithm series are MD2, MD4, MD5 and MD6. MD2 produces 128-bit message digest in 16-bit blocks. MD4 produces 128-bit message digest in 5 12-bit blocks. MD5 produces 128-bit message digest in 5 12-bit blocks. MD6 produces 5 12-bit message digest in 5 12-bit blocks. Secure hash algorithm, SHA, is designed by the U.S. National Security Agency, NSA, and published by NIST. Common secure hash algorithm, SHA, are SHA-1, SHA-2, and SHA-3. Secure hash algorithm, SHA-1, produces 160-bit message digest. Secure hash algorithm, SHA-2, produces 224, 256, 384 or 512 bits message digest. Secure hash algorithm, SHA-3, produces 224, 256, 384, and 512 bits. Hash-based message authentication code is a message authentication code derived from a cryptographic hash function such as MD5 and SHA-1. Hashed message authentication code, HMAC, is a message authentication code combining a message authentication code with a hash function. Collision results when two messages produce the same digest or a message produces the same digest as a different message.